Guys, I've done it. I've done it. All right, what's going on, everybody? Today is a freaking beautiful day. It's a Sunday, so if it was a Saturday or a Friday, no, not a Friday, but if it was a Saturday, it'd be a little better. But it's a Sunday today. But it's a beautiful day. It's raining. It's about 64 degrees right now, 65 degrees, mid 60s. Obviously it's raining. It's been raining all night long, and then early morning it was raining pretty heavy. And as you guys can tell, I have a grocery bag in my left hand because I've got a whole bunch of bait in there to fish with. I've got boilies, bread, and corn. And if you don't know what I'm fishing for yet, then actually no, the title already told you what I was fishing for probably. But yeah, we're fishing for grass carp and catfish today. But I really want to catch a grass carp. If I can come home with, if I can catch one grass carp, I'll be pretty happy. If I catch some catfish, that would be cool, but I really want to catch a grass carp today. It's rainy, and the grass carp, in my opinion, get most active when it's rainy conditions and stormy conditions, because it kind of piles up all what they eat, and it's just all sitting on the top of the water, and that's when they really start to munch. We're making our way down to the pond now, so we'll see how this goes. But yeah, I really want to catch a grass carp today. That's the main goal. But any fish is a good fish today, especially on a beautiful day like this. So let's hope we can do well today. Guys, I've done it. I've done it. I've done it. I cannot tell you guys. Oh my god. I cannot tell you guys how long it has taken me to do this right here. This fish is super lazy. Holy crap. I don't know how I'm gonna land this guy, but I have been trying to do this for ages now. He's got so much energy in him right now, it's not even funny. He's just trying to roll around in the line and get it off. Look at him. Look how lazy he's being. Holy crap. It has taken me this long to do this. I'm about to hook the tripod up and get a freaking thumbnail or something, dude. I don't know, bro. I just want to be careful with them. These fish can just disappear in an instant. These fish can get off your line in a freaking instant. It only takes one movement for them to just disappear. I gotta be smart about this. Have to be smart. Come this way. My line's over there. I don't want you to get tangled in it. I'm gonna try and reel it. Okay, I'm just gonna bring you over here. I'm gonna bring this guy over here far away from my line. Nope. Okay. These guys are so lazy when it comes to fighting. All right. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh man. All right, come here. Screw the tripods. Screw the freaking thumbnail. Let's just land this fish. Let's first worry about landing this fish. He's got so much energy, he's just not using any of it. Okay. Just don't touch the line. Whatever I do, I cannot touch the line. Yeah, he did not like that. God, no, not that way. He did not like that. Oh, man. He did not like that whatsoever. He is running all the way over here. This is going to be really difficult to land this fish. There he goes. There he goes. Not too far, buddy. Not too far. It's gonna be impossible, dude. It's gonna be so hard. I just can't horse him. Whatever I do, I cannot horse this fish. I just gotta get him tight enough to the point where he can't take off like that, like he's been. Okay. Okay. Bring my sleeves up here. Hey, buddy. Oh, God. Come here. Relax. Okay. I got you. I freaking got you. You're all mine, buddy. I got you. Holy crap. All right. I'm gonna get my pliers. But, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this new fishing moments video. This wasn't able to make a full video. Is that another one there? No, it's just a turtle. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this this fishing moments video. If you liked it, go and leave a like. You already know what to do. If you enjoy the content I make, go and subscribe. Dislike it if you don't like the content, then give me a dislike. I don't care. Just makes me a little bit of a better YouTuber every time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give some feedback. But as always, capture moments, create memories. I'll see you guys in the video.
How did I get here?